Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the world of bath time fun and organization with the TubTopper Bathtub Splash Guard Play Shelf Area, the ultimate solution for keeping your bathroom dry and your little ones entertained. This innovative product, designed with 10 powerful suction cups for an extreme hold, hugs your bathtub to prevent water from splashing or leaking underneath, making bath time a mess-free experience. Extending out past the bathtub edge, it provides ample room for play while its high walls act as a water barrier, ensuring no more wet floors or ruined bathroom surfaces. With a generous 3 feet in length, the TubTopper allows maximum play area while still leaving room for easy entry and exit from the tub. Proudly made in the USA, this patented and trademarked product is crafted with top-notch quality control and materials, earning the trust of thousands of satisfied moms. Experience the joy and convenience of a tidy, organized bath time routine and let your kids play on the edge without the worry of water spills. Make bath time the best time with the TubTopper Splash Guard and discover how it transforms your bathroom into a fun and safe play zone. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.